Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to deactivate Facebook on Android 2025. Let's begin. As you can see, our Facebook is right here. We can press and hold our Facebook and go to App Info. This will basically transform us and take us to specific app information about Facebook. If for some reason you can't do that, we can always go for that by settings, apps, see all 79 apps, and here we can scroll down, find Facebook, and we can see the exact same page. Now, as you can see, the force stop is not working since Facebook isn't really running in the background. However, if we don't really have to scroll down, we can just archive it. This way, our Facebook won't really work and will not be really activable or doable or anything. We can try to activate it, and as you can see, we have to almost download it entirely again. But if I do remember correctly, the phone should remember our data from Facebook application. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.